There is a great variety of possible career choices. One of these includes welding. About half of the United States has above-average job opportunities, with a promising starting annual salary of $44,190. Thankfully, for anyone interested in this career, SJHS has a welding pathway, perfect for exposure and hands-on experience, as many skills can be learned.
In my class, you would learn how to fabricate and weld structurally. And what that means is you would build a lot of different types of projects, tables or small projects, and then you would learn how to complete a sound weld out in the real world and basically find a job welding.
I learned how to fabricate metal, I learned how to bend metal, learned how to cut, weld, grind off pieces of rust, learned a lot of useful stuff.
I'm learning how to do basic welds and get certified in those basic welds.
The hands-on should not intimidate anyone since the class isn't as hard as many believe.
I believe it's really easy to learn, especially if you're hands-on and you like working with your hands, and doesn't really take too much intelligence to do, but it does take a lot of practice to really get good at it.
It's pretty easy.
Passing it's easy, but the welding at times is difficult, other times it's easy.
This pathway here at SJHS is also highly esteemed because it is reflective of what you would be doing in a real welding career.
I think this pathway goes above and beyond compared to a lot of pathways that are welding in the Riverside County. We provide certifications, real world certifications, that normally would cost you like $400 just to try and do. And these certifications can get you higher paying jobs and quicker jobs.
I definitely recommend this course.
For Tiger Media, this is Yube Gutierrez and
Valerie Baltazar.